Today I'm planning to install Debian on this computer. So this computer has 1 GB of DDR2 RAM, NVIDIA GeForce 7600 GT 256 MB, a 640 GB mechanical hard drive, Intel Core 2 Duo, not sure which model. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, it's turning on. I hope the BIOS settings are right. Okay, F2. Oh yes, yep, graphical install. Okay, now it just froze. I hope that's normal. Okay, this thing has 1 GB of RAM, so I'm not sure if this is enough for this. Okay, I'm gonna wait a little. Okay, now I'm in. The language, yep, English of course. Continue. Location, okay, it's not United States. Other, yeah. Europe. And yep, Slovenia. Okay, make sure United States. Key map is Slovenian. Okay, now it's detecting some hints. Okay, I don't want to on Wi-Fi anyways. Yep, manually. Yep, do not. Okay, continue. Host name. PC. Reasonable choice. Edit password 12345. 12345. Okay. New user. That one Windows guy. Okay, username is also that one Windows guy. 12345. 12345. My secure password. Okay, yes. Continue. Configure the clock. It says 2004 now, the year. Okay, it's not detecting disks. Yeah. And loading some other things. Yep, use the entire disk. It's nothing on it anyways. Yep, this. 640 GB. Yes, sure. Yep. Continue. Yes, do it. Okay, now it's formatting. Now it's installing the base system, so time-lapse time. Konec je, samo neči se stisniti malo. Konec je Debian naložil. Yep, GNO Linux, Debian. Okay, now it's graphical, as I see. Livi? Nicht. Okay, it's on the desktop. Yeah, Livi on the desktop, yeah. Oh my god, she's smelling the PC. Okay, that one Windows guy, yeah. And why does the mouse... Hey, the mouse doesn't work. Not fair. Or did the Debian just freeze? I'm not sure. Livi? Okay, I think it just froze. Or maybe it's loading something. Okay, still nothing. Okay, so anyways, nothing works. The installation is both successful and unsuccessful. Like you see, nothing works. I restarted already. So this is the end now. Bye. Finally.